Sí, mi amor, tú eres mi Spider-Man. Oh my God, qué cansada ando. Marisol, y sin suéter el niño. Ay, Marisol. Vaya, póngame el suéter al niño. Agárrele y métala adentro y allá veremos. Solo así no, se me va a enfermar. Póngame el suéter, el azul.
Ah, gracias. Ya me lo terminan.
other side. Somebody would do that on the other side. I'm like, oh shit, what am I gonna do? I'm like hoping tomorrow. There was a guy out here shoveling yesterday. I'm like, I hope I see him tomorrow. Because I'll pay him to get my car out.
Oh, they're having fun.
So I said to my mom, now that they're all doing it, it's not so bad. But that's bullshit that the city cannot come down and plow that when you pay as much as you do in taxes.
I know.
God forbid an emergency happens, how are you going to get out? No. And I goes, oh, that's cool, look, they're all shoveling.
Yeah.
I'm like, watch the babies, because we have 2 babies upstairs. I'm like, I'm going to go down and...
It's not that cold.
It's not too bad.
No, it's not that cold. Let's wait for tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be cooler tomorrow, and I'll be getting out of my spot. But I'm just afraid if I shovel, you know, nobody's touched that side, then the plow's going to come through and put me back in. So I might as well wait till tomorrow. They come through tonight,
Yeah.
hopefully. Snow, man.
That.
I hope it doesn't flood when it all melts. That's gonna suck too. Wow. I got my camera. I'm like, I'm gonna take off.